living room with a big balcony attached to it. It is kitchen right in front of it, which has two spacious. Having a look at this master bedroom, you will love. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Purva and we are here at Shreeji Skyrise by Shreeji Sharan Group of Companies. Here I am standing at the actual location and this is the tower of Shreeji Skyrise. Located in Kandivali West, right in front of S.V Road. As you can see, this is the S.V Road and the neighborhood around. It is located opposite to the fire station of Kandivali. We will definitely go to the sample flat tour, but before it, let us know what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects main buyers directly to the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you put an inquiry, your number will be shared with various brokers, resulting in multiple phone calls. Well, Housey is first real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developers. So book your dream home today with the developers through Housey. Moving towards the basic details of the project, this land parcel is spread across 0.75 acres. This has one tower which has G plus 58 stories that consists of 2 BHK and 3 BHK plus jewelry is also available. So this project consists of 30 plus modern amenities including swimming pool, clubhouse, kids play area, jacuzzi, banquet hall and an emergency room with all the medical facilities. Let us know about the connect of this project. This project locates right opposite the Kandivali fire station. It is bang on S.V Road. Kandivali station is 2-minute walking distance, whereas Western Express Highway it's a 10-minute drive. Link Road it's 5 to 7-minute drive and Kandivali Metro Station it's 5 minutes from here. So these were the basic details and the connect of Shreeji Skyrise by Shreeji Sharan Group of Companies. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of 2 BHK and 3 BHK of this apartment. So now we are standing outside the 3 BHK apartment of Shreeji Skyrise by Shreeji Sharan Group of Companies. It is spread over 1102 square feet carpet area. So let's have a look at the apartment. Entering, we have a spacious living room with a big balcony attached to it. It is so spacious to keep all your sofas, your TV, your everything you need in a living room. The balcony is spacious enough for all your family to sit together, having your evening snacks, enjoying the city view. Attached to the spacious living room, we have a dining area where you can keep your dining table and whole family can have your dinners and snacks together at the same time. Attached to this dining area, we have a kitchen right in front of it which has two spacious slabs right in front of each other. We have spaces beside these slabs to keep your washing machine, your refrigerator or dishwasher, or attach a cabinet if you want. The kitchen also have large windows so that you can still get a city view while cooking or making your favorite snacks. Let's now move to the spacious master bedrooms of this 3 BHK apartment. On the very right side, we have a first master bedroom which is spacious with big windows and has a natural park view. This room is spacious enough to keep your king-size bed and also attach your own design wardrobes. It has windows on two sides and this east side has a national park view. It has an attached bathroom right over here which is spacious. This attached washroom has anti-skid tile, wall fittings and sanitary fittings. Let's move to the second master bedroom of this 3 BHK, and while we exit this bedroom, we have a common washroom and powder room for all your guests and friends. Invasion of no privacy is assured. This common washroom also consists of wall-to-wall sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. Let's now have a look at the second master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As soon as you enter the bedroom, you have an attached washroom right in front of it. All the washrooms in the 3 BHK consist of wall-to-wall fittings and anti-skid tiles. This bedroom is also spacious enough to keep your beds, or if you want to make this your kids' playroom or your guitar room or your reading room. It's suitable for all the things as it is suitable for all your things, and it also has a national park view. Before moving towards the last master bedroom, let us know what Housey does for you. Housey give you sample flat tour, actual location tour, full pricing including the EMI and down payments, a 360-degree virtual project tour, and also tell you the pros and cons of the project. So now let's move to the last master bedroom of this apartment. As soon as we enter in this master bedroom, we have a walk-in wardrobe attached with the attached washroom. This washroom also consists of anti-skid tiles and sanitary wall fittings. Having a look at this master bedroom, you will love it, and this also has an east-facing national park view. You will get all the amenities that you can see in the video, and you will get the flat as it is ready. So you will get Vitrified tiles in all over the house. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Shreeji Skyrise by Shreeji Sharan Group of Companies. And if you want to book your own site visit, you just have to go to housey.com, and before going, don't forget to subscribe and follow housey.com for all the details and updates. Till then, bye bye, take care. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Shreeji Skyrise, located in Kandivali West by Shreeji Sharan Group of Company.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.